Hello, everyone. You're looking at a bounce house rental page. At the bottom of the page, a customer can place an order. Let's look at the sidebar because it has the summary total of the order. The item cost $500 a day, and there's a tax of $32.50. Check out this coupon input section. If I enter the right coupon code, the total in the sidebar will change. The coupon added provided a 10% discount, reducing the grand total by $53.25. I'm going to order this bounce house with the discount to show you what the rental job looks like in the back end. After entering basic user information, click the Save and Continue button. Enter the time range of the rental. Remember, we are just trying to see what the coupon looks like in the back end. Now I'll sign the waiver for the bounce house rental. The final step for placing the order is to enter the credit card info. Once the payment is submitted, a confirmation dialog is shown to the customer. Let's see what the job looks like for us on the back end. Will we see the coupon or discount amount subtracted from the total of the order? Here's the jobs list page. The first job displayed on the page is the bounce house order we just created. Here, you can see that the $73.25 discount was taken off from the total of the order. Now, let's see if the discounted price is calculated for the auto-generated PDF invoice. Click the Invoice button on the job to go to the invoice page. The invoice PDF also displays that the $73.25 discount was applied. You just saw how the customer can enter a coupon code when placing the rental order. Now let's see how to create the coupon code. You can create the coupon codes for a product on its edit page. You will see how to create a coupon code for the checkout page later. As of now, the coupon created for a product will only work when they are checking out on the product's page, not from the cart or checkout page. This product you are looking at is the bounce house we just ordered. You can see here that there is an indication that the product already had a coupon. You can see the coupon code Holiday10 here. Click the Go to Edit Page button for the product. On the Edit page, scroll down to the Coupon Codes section. You can see here that the Holiday 10 coupon exists already. Let's create another coupon. Click the Add Coupon button. I'm going to add a coupon code called Winter10. It's 10% off. After successfully created, it should appear in the Coupon Codes section. Let's go back to the Bounce House page and see if the Winter 10% off coupon works. Make sure to reload the page so the coupon is applied for the test. After entering the coupon we just created, you can see it being applied to the total as a discount in the sidebar. Here I'm entering the wrong coupon code, so the discount goes away. Now I will show that the other coupon still works. This demonstrates that you can give out different discounts to different customers. There are 3 places to create a discount on your site. 1, on a regular product. 2, a multi-product page. 3, the site settings page for the checkout page, Add to Cart. Let's check out the site settings page. But to demo the discount functionality, I will add the bounce house we were just using to the cart to see that the coupon won't be applied on the checkout page. This is the checkout page. You can see that the coupon input field is not even there. To make a coupon for a checkout page, you do that at the site settings page. This is the site settings page. Scroll down to the coupon code section. I'm creating a coupon code named Site Settings, and I'm assigning it to 15% off. Remember to refresh the checkout page so the settings can be applied. You can see that the coupon code field is now visible. Now, let's test out the coupon code on the checkout page. After successfully entering the coupon code, you can see that the 15% discount is in the sidebar. Now let's see how to manage the coupon codes for a multi-product page. Click the View Multi-Products button at the top. I want to show you how to manage the party room product page. You can see that a coupon exists already for the page. Here you can see that the 10% off coupon code is active. Let's see if the coupon code field is visible on this multi-product page. If we scroll down to the order section, we can see that the coupon code input area exists. Instead of creating another coupon code, this time I will toggle a coupon code off. So back to the edit page. Now I will turn the existing coupon code off. Go back to the party room page. Since we made the coupon code inactive and there are no active coupons, the input field is not displayed to the customer anymore. In this video, you saw how you can provide discounts to your customers. Thank you for watching and using RentalSetup.com to build your rental website.